Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you a very interesting situation. Here is the open front of the stairs. We have bathroom and tile higher than hardwood floor, approximately quarter-inch. We don't have enough space to make a long sloping down, and so need to do something good. Right here it's already done, you see. So how to make a small slope and what kind of tools we have to use. For this leveling we have to make something custom. So now before we start leveling we have to put primer on front of the tile where we have to level. So I'm using L primer from McPay, and if you watching my videos I always using McPay self-leveling compound because this is the price, quality and all this, just very good for me. Maybe you like something different material. So I'm mixing one bag with water, and then I would prepare the tools. So you see here's the hardwood, and on front of the hardwood piece I put baseboard. So, and I glue with hot glue over the hardwood piece another little piece. It is exactly same dimension what I need. So you see the gap between floor now and baseboard. This gap we have to fill up. I cut off this long baseboard. It just left piece approximately 2.5–3 times longer, wider than one board. After leveling, it's give it to me nice sloping down, and when the people will walk in to the bathroom they can't feel any imperfection. So this is the goal what we have to get. Don't forget to make a radius with self-leveling compound from the both sides of tiles. We see it like I'm doing now. So it will be nice sloping to the for the baseboards, and you can see any gaps between floor and baseboard. This is a very important sense. If you're not doing this radius to the walls, it will be step, and when you glue or install other floor you will see the gap under the baseboard. It's very simple techniques, and why we do like this, because most of customers like floor, hardwood and tiles meet in one level, and they don't want any overlap transition more. Before any floors we did overlap, now no. If it's little slope, customer agree for it. So if you do in floor, or you for somebody, or if you do it for by yourself, keep in your mind how to do it. So maybe it will help you in your future project, and will be happy when you finish your floor. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.